petrol engine connecting rod. This connecting rod has similar parts as in diesel engine connecting rod. Now you are viewing the complete assembly of the petrol engine connecting rod. The small end is connected with the piston by using the piston pin. The piston pin is locked by means of the square-headed screw. The split pins are removed, the castle nuts loosened, and the square-headed bolts are removed. The shims that are used in between the connecting rod and the rod end are disassembled along with the rod end and the brasses. Now the complete parts of the connecting rod are presented on the screen for your visualization.